Hi guys, hello and welcome back to our newest video. Today we're working on this beautiful BMW X7. It's a brand new car. I have never worked on this car, on this specific model before, and what we're doing with it, we will install paint protection film on entire body. We'll use SunTek Ultra, which have a 10 years warranty. Let's start with washing, clay barring and preparation.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling.
Okay, general wash is done. Now we need to move this car inside and dry it. And now it's time to lay some PPF. Material is cut and ready, and now it's time to get wet. Entire car is almost finished. All what left to do: rebar, roof and front bumper. Let's start with front bumper. It's not very difficult. Probably I will finish it in a couple hours. Let's do it. Finally installing film on the last panel. After I finish this bumper, entire BMW X7 will be protected. I love using knifeless tape to make a straight cut. I'm not cutting with the knifeless tape, but I'm using knifeless tape edge as my guide. And this is how I do it. Now all what I need, just cut next to green line. And now we have beautiful straight line. If you would like to see more tips, leave some comments below what kind of tips you would like to see. So guys, BMW X7 is almost finished, but it's still missing one thing. My friend Abs will explain to you what has been done on this car and what is still missing. Okay.
Hey guys, it's Abs from Rolling Stock today. Today we have a beautiful BMW X7 M50i in front of us. Vidas, the special man, has done a full clear PPF from this car. So PPF essentially just means that it protects from scratches, stone chips, all that kind of stuff. It has been ceramic coated by Jahan, mostly known as Jay at House of Auto Care, and ceramic coating particularly just makes it bead water. It also does protect the PPF. The one special thing is missing from us on my side of things is the rims. We have a custom set of Volkswagen rims that have been just produced in America and they're still on their way here. 3 have arrived and 1 is still missing, so sadly there's not going to be any special rims for you today. The tail lights and the headlights have also been done. They've been tinted in PPF, so they're a dark color and they still are PPF, which does protect it also.
Thank you! Thank you guys for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our YouTube channel and I will see you next time.